not like the biotech and the drug industry. And medical devices are much smaller scale, and partnering sometimes is not necessary. Okay, I should say that. And return on investment is pretty high. I mean, don't mistake it by that. Medical devices are return on investment as good as pharmaceutical. So there's a lot of innovative ideas in US and invented by Taiwanese, Chinese. And so I will say if there's any opportunity, if you have a friend and they have the idea, just remember capital market in Taiwan is pretty good actually. And there's a lot of rich people. And there's a lot of industry, they want to change they don't want to be in the textile industry anymore. They don't want to be in the OEM industry anymore. They want to change. So if you give them a good opportunity, and they will invest. And so just remember that.
Okay, we have one last. Do you want to? Yeah.
Yes, I'm not so much questioning, but more about commenting about what is white space. And also, I like Dr. Low. We are not a pharmaceutical. I like to broaden the biotech definition as medical devices, particularly the diagnostic device, imaging devices. And over the years, the whole world only dominated by 3 companies, GPS, GE, Philips, and Siemens. All the X-ray, ultrasound, and this. I mean, there's absolutely no reason to do something. Now the CAT scan, you know, the radiation dosage is so high. If you're a baby, you take one, they're going to develop a cancer later. So the opportunity is unbelievable, especially in Taiwan, because we have TSMC, we have UMC, and then every devices, you need a semiconductor, and then you need a computer. So the resources are abundant. I don't know, I don't understand why nobody's working into diagnostic devices. CAT scan has to be redesigned. X-ray, unbelievable. Replace that film. The only one thing I didn't think about is MRI, okay? I make ultrasound, you know, make a wonderful ultrasound. No, but I can do a little bit of advertisement, best in the world. GE cannot compete with us. So opportunities abundant, just do it, okay? The thing, I went to MIT, I told a student, you know how to design the detectors. Why can someone design a better X-ray detector? You know, that's the X-ray, just X-ray detector, do it. Thank you, sorry. My husband will say,
We have one last question.
Thank you. My name is Peter Starowicz. I'm originally from Poland, so I don't have any connection with China or Taiwan other than my beautiful wife, Joey.
That's important.
The reason I wanted to speak here is because I collaborate with Professor Benin. And we have a project in Taiwan, funded very generously by the Ministry of Economic Affairs with NTU. And I am a living example of how business in Taiwan works. Or maybe not. It works well. Wonderful, wonderful people, and I really want to second all of the positive things that were said. But I want to bring up another question or another point which the panel has not addressed. My company is very small. We've been around for 25 years, but we are in the business of research. And there are 2 dirty words in our company. Outcomes. Try to get funding from the US government without specifying the outcomes. Impossible. In the last 2 years, impossible. You cannot get a funding for a research project leading to new technology. I ask you, what does generate the highest return on investment? Research. Not outcomes generated research, pure research. So we work on the Taiwanese Connectome project, funded to the tune of $1 million, competing with a little company in Germany called Siemens. How on earth are we going to succeed with all the goodwill, with all with all the people that want us to participate in a Taiwanese company with cash, which we cannot get. Please.
Wow. Anybody?
My use of the word outcomes wasn't in funding research, it was for paying for the finished product. And it's a truism, you can't prove outcomes, there will be no income for a commercial business. You know, but you're discussing a fundamentally different challenge, which is how do you do the basic research, there's funding provided at the basic research level so you have a product, then you can go justify why you should get paid for it.
Okay, I think our time is pretty
Yes,
up.
but I want to have Dr. Johnson Lee to present to other guests. Yes.
Just summarizing.
Okay, all right, that's good.
Well, I think partnering is not an easy thing to do. You have to identify opportunities, identify strengths, identify your proper partners. And it's different in basic research, different in product development, different in business. And the innovation could be from technology and could be also in market or in business model. So I think the common, if I want to draw something common among these gentlemen, is that they are all very positive, very optimistic.
Mm-hmm.
And it's difficult, but the opportunity is there. Okay?
Which is very exciting.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for all attending.